Hey Kota, imagine you have different toys, some are cars, some are dolls and some are building blocks. If you put them all together, it would be a big mess. So what would you do? You can keep all your cars, dolls and building blocks in a different box and label them. So when you want to play with cars, you know exactly where to find your cars without searching through everything. Similar like toy box, we have data types in JavaScript. So welcome to day 3 of JS Mastery 100 Days Challenge. In a very simple language, the main purpose of data types in every programming language is like sorting things in your toy box. Data types are like the labels you put on different sections of your toy box. They tell you what kind of toys are inside each section. Similarly, in programming, data type helps the computer to understand what kind of information we are dealing with. Using data types helps the computer organize and handle the information more efficiently. Just like your labeled toy box keeps everything in order. In JavaScript, we have mainly 5 to 6 types of data types like number, string, boolean, null, undefined, object and arrays. Each of them have a special power to store different types of values like our toy box. I hope you understand that data types what actually are in a simplest possible manner. If you like this video, don't forget to follow me for more such videos and save this reel now.